there's some sort of sneaky path, which of course there is. Hello. Hello. Ooh, skill altar, hell yeah. That gives me enough for that. Side quest in here.
Oi!
Let's see what this guy wants.
Look at all this.
Or what this guy has.
Surely there is something that you would like to trade.
Yeah, let's buy some. Whoa, look at this fucking thing. Wow, it's crap. Oh, it does physical damage, but then it also does elemental. And it stuns like a motherfucker. Excuse me. Mortuary lotion. Sure, I guess. Let's buy all your forage and your
Quawalemsek.
bumblebee tuna.
Ato oi. Bird tear to mud. Thank you for coming to talk to me. You are on Olmanawi,
That is me.
but you also look like a Lugaid Blau.
Lugaid Blau? Is that what you call the congregation?
Yes, those who have yellow eyes on their banner.
They're coins. But to answer your question, yes. I'm the legate of the congregation.
Is legate the Renaikse word for on Olmanawi?
No. It means that I am in charge of diplomatic relationships with the other nations.
So I was right. You will be able to help us.
Maybe.
Some of your clan are preventing us from accessing one of our sacred glades.
Really? Why would they do that?
Several seasons ago, some men from your clan came to ask us for wood for their houses. There were some old trees in this glade, so we let them do what they wanted. At first, everything was fine. But then they cut down too many trees. So we wanted to heal the place, plant some new trees. But they won't let us come close. Their bod irony, their warriors, are stopping us from doing so.
I could investigate.
Yes, please. You must tell them that they have to let us heal the glade.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go help out this guy. Seems nice. Where is your glade? I've had these hiccups for 45 minutes. Oh man, it's the last time I eat breakfast sausage. Ugh. Okay, where are we going? Wait, wait, what? What says that? Oh, alright. I guess we gotta go back down. We gotta do this the old-fashioned way, maybe? So I'm kind of curious. I haven't really figured this out. In order to unlock new areas, I have to physically go through the map to, like, the map ends for, like, portions to unlock. I'm just kind of curious about that. I was wondering if anybody had any experience with that. Or an answer, at least. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, you guys. Yeah. Let's go to... Wait. Whoa, this is like brand new areas. Alright. Yeah, let's go here. Oh, man. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Oh, look at that. New area? So tiny. I'm doing this for the achievements. I swear I'm doing it for the achievements. It says I have to hunt 10 animals. I could have sworn I've hunted more than 10 animals by now. Oh my god. It's like the more I talk, the worse my hiccups get. Hello. You guys nice? You guys jerks? Nice jerks? Nice jerks? Oh. Oh, they look nice.
Something
nice.
like say around here.
That doesn't happen often. Do you want something?
Ask them why they live here.
You're very isolated here. Why live so far from a village?
It's a long story. Matir, will you tell him?
When I was young, I got engaged to a young man. But he wasn't my Minundanem. I thought he was, but I was wrong. And one day, I met the one I would love for all my life. As I had broken my engagement, we were exiled.
So, our parents came to settle here. They built this house, and we were born.
There. Now you know the whole story.
That's
Do
cool.
you want to know anything else?
Nah, man.
I'll leave you alone.
guys do your
Qua awalem said.
business. Good luck. I'm so sorry about my hiccups. I'm so sorry. If you guys have any remedies, please let me know. Open to all of them. I've tried. Oh my god. I've tried holding my breath. Nobody's here to scare me, which kind of sucks. But it's like starting to make my throat like raw. Well, shoot. Alright, I guess we can't go that way. Kinda sucks. Oh, damn it. Thought I was gonna find like some cool treasure chest or something. Nope. Just a shortcut to the dead end. What? Man, there's just a lot of... Oh my god. Just a lot of routes to absolutely nothing.
enlightened protect me in this battle. Bit of poison on my blade. Then let's go.
Oh shit, I didn't even see these guys. Oh, damn. Damn it. Oh. My magic works. Oh no. Oh no! Oh my god. I have not died in a really long time. That sucks. Where are we? Oh, okay. For sure. That was an unexpected battle. The death shan't happen again. I blame my hiccups.
May the enlightened protect me in this battle. Let's go. Potion if you want to cast more spell.
Yes, I know how my magic works. Thank you so much.
Your magic is running out.
What? I thought I just drank a potion. I know.
Let's go.
It's kind of weird how those big guys seem to have less health than little guys. Ah, that was the wrong potion.
Take a potion if you want to cast more.
These guys are beefy. These are the only enemies that honestly give me trouble. The like little roly-poly guys. There's one more up here. Oh man. Oh, there's the fox. I gotta do this for the achievement. Where is it? Did it run off? Oh, damn, dude. Campsite. Yes, please. Alright, let's see what they got. Let's see if we can help these guys out. Ooh, a little standoff here.
We do not want to shed blood.
Yeah, hold on one sec. I'm gonna go see if I can steal any of your stuff. That we can. Hello. Some sweet axes. Hello.
What's happening here, soldier?
These islanders want to enter a plot of land that belongs to the congregation.
They are denying us access to the glade.
We must heal it. Otherwise, this land will die.
I am sorry, but we cannot let you enter this area.
But we only want to plant some new trees. Bring life back. These people are fanatics, Your Excellency.
Dude, they just want to plant some
Several
seeds.
woodcutters died last night, and I'm willing to bet that these savages had a hand in it. You are killing the earth, so it kills you in return. All of you are cursed.
Shut it, you savage!
Desade, I'm the legate of the merchant congregation on this island. I came to shed light on this affair. You said that some woodcutters died.
Aye, they fell sick and died a few hours later. But the camp doctor will be able to tell you more about it. You'll find him in the barracks right here.
Thank you, soldier. I'll go see him.
Okay.
Please, Your Excellency.
Let's. I mean, I'm gonna side with natives. Like, all I want to
Hello,
do is just
Doctor.
plant trees. Just let them fucking
I am
plant
the
some
legate
trees,
of the
man.
congregation. I was told about the disputes caused by this camp. And a soldier told me that several woodcutters died recently.
Yes. They got sick yesterday afternoon, and a few hours later they were dead. I couldn't do anything except watch them writhing in pain. None of my remedies worked. If
Did you ask the
seeing
natives?
corpses doesn't bother you, you can come and see the bodies. They're here. I hope that whatever killed them is not contagious.
I hope so too. Let's go have a peek.
These poor woodcutters look like they've suffered.
Yeah.
This one has a swollen tongue. Blood at the corner of the mouth. There are some peculiar red patches on the bodies. His eyes are bloodshot. This man choked to death.
Damn.
A strong smell of ammonia. The entrails must have been perforated.
So, what do you think? Do you recognize their disease?
They didn't die of disease. They were poisoned. There's no doubt about it.
You're probably right. But I've heard these savages talking so much about curses, so I thought it must be a mysterious disease, rather than seeing what was before my eyes. But how could these three men be poisoned?
Do you recognize the
I'm
poison?
not sure. Do their symptoms not point to anything?
No. I've never seen such a deadly poison with these symptoms.
Who was here last night?
Have you noticed anyone unusual here?
Unusual? No.
Alright. Let's return. Oh, damn it. I only get one chance at... Uh-oh. Ask her what they
Did they
drink.
drink anything in particular?
They like to drink their fills in the evening. Life is dreary here. But if the poison was in the alcohol, I'd also be on the pile of corpses.
Interesting.
What did they eat yesterday? Did they eat any mushrooms?
No, we avoid that kind of thing. We don't know enough about the region's plant life. The congregation provides us with dry produce, otherwise we eat game. Yesterday they butchered a beast brought by the hunters.
Hunters?
Natives who bring us game regularly in exchange for knickknacks.
Uh-oh.
But they've been restocking us for months. I struggle to believe that they're involved.
Well, we'll see what they have to
Maybe
say.
just the meat was bad?
Where can I find them?
They usually hunt on the edge of the wood that leads to this camp.
Oh, no. Is it the exiled family? I think it might be the exiled family. Oh, no. But why would they poison them? I'm trying to figure out motivations here. Oh, I mean, I don't have... Oh, shit. Oh.
Oi! This
Oh, this is
is
somebody
our
else.
prey, Renix. How can we earn our reward if you hunt our prey?
Justify yourself. Yeah, I mean, it attacked me. I don't know what you want me to say.
We only defended ourselves. These beasts attacked us. But take them. We do not intend to eat them.
Thank you. But what are you doing here, Renix, if you're not here to hunt?
We were looking for you.
Us? What do you want from us?
3 woodcutters were poisoned yesterday after eating what you brought them.
Poison? I swear we are not responsible for this.
I wonder which option I'm gonna choose. Let's insist. Let's see if this
Listen,
works.
All the clues lead to you, but it may simply have been an accident. How about you tell me exactly what happened?
It wasn't really an accident.
Oh,
but
God.
We did not want to kill them either.
Then tell me how it happened.
We did not decide to do this. We were trading beautiful things with the Count. But the Elder said that we would be traitors to our clan if we let the woodcutters cut down the trees.
Which elder?
One of the old men from Vigigidor, our village. He is very angry because we cannot heal the glade. He gave us the meat of an andrig killed by a venomous dosentats. Its flesh is perfectly edible when prepared with certain berries, but without them, eating it would be lethal. And since the Renaigse invaded our forest, these berries are nowhere to be found. He wanted it to be a lesson for them, so that they may understand that their destruction brings death.
I will not hold you responsible, but from now on you will no longer bring meat to this camp. You are the instruments of a hateful old man's vengeance. And I'm under the impression that there will be even more deaths if I do not get to the root of this problem.
I mean, I understand what he wants to do,
without realizing there would be consequences.
but the ends don't justify the means, in my opinion.
This whole thing could turn into an open war. We cannot let that happen. Sir de Corsillon will be able to give some advice on how to solve this property conflict without violence.